This is first video on time value of money and NPV by Solution In. In this we will talk about the important concepts of time value of money like present value, future value, finally the NPV. Let's see what is the present value. The present value means the current worth of an amount to be received or paid in future date. For example, you want to know what $100,000 is worth today if you are promised to receive it after next 3 years. Now $100,000 will be the value after 3 years. And you are standing here and want to know what is the value of $100,000 now. Let us assume that the interest rate at that time is 10% per annum. To find out the present value, we will discount it back 3 years to today. To calculate the present value, here is the formula: 100,000 multiplied by discount factor, and we get a present value of $75,100 approximately. Now this $75,100 is the present value of $100,000 to be received 3 years from now. This is how we calculate present value. The future value is the amount that, if invested now, will grow and converted into a higher amount than now. It is just the opposite of the present value we discussed above. Consider the same example again. Suppose you have $75,100 today and you want to invest this amount into a bank that offers 10% interest per annum for next 3 years. After 3 years you will receive the deposited amount plus the 3 years interest compounded. But what will be the future value after 3 years? We have to compound the present value for next 3 years. The future value that you will receive after 3 years will be calculated by using this formula: present value multiplied by the compounding factor. The future value will be $100,000 after 3 years. This is how we calculate future value. Now let us see what is the NPV. NPV means the net present value of an investment opportunity. That is the present value of all the cash inflows less investment. Here is the formula of NPV. Suppose you have an opportunity that requires an investment or an outflow of $500,000 today, and promises the annual cash flows for next 4 years. Cash flows are $350,000, $210,000, $165,000, and $195,000 for year 1 to year 4 respectively. Suppose the discount rate is 10% and the respective discount factors for year 0 to year 4 will be like this. By multiplying the discount factor with the investment and cash inflows, we will get the present values as -500,000, $318,000, $182,000, $173,554, $123,967, and $133,188 respectively. Then we add up all the amounts and get a net amount of positive $248,890. This is the NPV of this project. Since the NPV is positive, then it is worthy for you if you accept this project.